Today we'll be looking at a very interesting topic in further mathematics. It's called permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. All right, so the question said evaluate 8 permutation 2. 8 permutation 2. So if you are a JAMB student, you want to write JAMB this year, get your pen and jotter. Let's go. So they say evaluate 8 permutation 2. 8 permutation 2. The first thing you need to do, let's establish one or two things. Well, let's know the formula for permutation. All right, so today we'll be talking about only permutation. So the formula for permutation is n permutation r is equal to n factorial all over open bracket n minus r close bracket everything factorial. Factorial basically means multiplying a number by a positive integer below it. Just multiplying a number by a positive integer below it. For example, if you have 3 factorial. 3 factorial is the same thing as saying 3 times 2 times what? 1. This is 3 factorial. Why 2 factorial is equal to what now? 2 times 1. Do you understand that? All right, so now that's factorial. Now another thing we also need to look at, we said n permutation r. So what is n? N is basically the total number of objects available. While r is the how you want to arrange it. How you want to, the group of number of people, how you want to arrange it. How do you want this 8 permutation 2 basically means how do you want to arrange 2 students out of 8 students? How do you want to arrange 2 students out of the total number of what? 8 in a class. That's what this question is talking about. So now let's quickly solve this now. Remember we said the formula is equal to n factorial divided by what? Open bracket n minus r factorial. Now let's start. From here we have solution. Let's solve. Solution. This one is what? 8 permutation 2. 8 permutation 2. Remember this one is n, right? So if this one is n, I will now say okay. From the formula, this one will give me my n is equal to what now? 8 factorial all over open bracket. What is my n here? N is what? 8 minus what is my r? My r is 2. Close bracket everything factorial. Then I can proceed further by saying this one will give me 8 factorial everything factorial. Now this one will not give me lead me into 8 factorial all over 6 factorial. So basically means 8 factorial basically means 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over. What is this one? This one is basically 6 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times what? 1. So we cannot divide this one. Cancel this. 5 cancel 5, 4 cancel 4, 3 cancel 3, 2 cancel 2, 1 cancel 1. So what is left here? We have 8 times what? 7. So 8 times 7 will now give us what? 56. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.